Hello. Today I will show you how to download Zempler bank statement. So let's start the main video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Zempler bank website. You can also do this using the Zempler mobile app if you have installed. Just make sure you have a stable internet connection. Next, click on the login button on the homepage. Enter your username and password, then click sign in. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, verify your login using your phone or email. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here you can see all your accounts, balances, and recent transactions. Select the specific account you want to download the statement for. On the account page, look for an option called Statements, Documents, or e-statements. Usually, you'll find it in the menu on the left side or under your account details. Once you open the Statement section, choose the date range for the statement you want to download. For example, select last month, last 3 months, or a custom date range. After selecting the date, click on the Download or Generate Statement button. The statement will usually download as a PDF file. Save it to your computer or phone. You can open it anytime for reference or printing. If you want, you can also email the statement directly from the Zempler Bank portal or click on Print to get a hard copy. And that's it. Thanks for watching.